To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon.
How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Guys, today EA has released two new SBCs. The first one is Flashback Khedira, who is, I don't know, right now on the market around 180k, and I don't like the price point for a card like that. I mean, if you can fit him in any hybrids and all of that, seems okay. Maybe a good link to Ronaldo or anything like that, but I do think there's going to be better players released, so during the fitness period and all of that, I don't know if it's the best time to get this sort of cards right now. The second one is Bamba, going for 320k right now on the market. We all thought that we're gonna get Mbappe Player of the Month, but EA released Bamba right now. Some of the link investments to him have gone up in hype a lot. Now they're dropping because people are overselling, and potentially they're gonna go even lower into Sunday, but as more people complete Bamba, they can go up. I advised most of the followers and most of the viewers on Twitch today to not go into Bamba because we're very close to the fitness period. I know how this card might look like, a very good one, but 320k, I mean, I wouldn't. For a League 1 left mid, you just go with a Neymar, and whenever you're tired of Neymar, you sell it and you buy something else, and you get the coins back. Actually, this is the 300k you're never getting back. So think of it like that. Maybe go with a Neymar, lose 300k on Neymar rather than buying this dude right now, because I still think Neymar should be in-game wise way better than this dude. Okay, going into what we talked today on stream, we were looking at the best of Team of the Weeks. Now, if you guys don't know, the best of Team of the Week is released during Black Friday each year. EA for the past 2 years have released the top 10 Team of the Week cards that were thus far into the Team of the Weeks, re-released them in packs. So people could have packed them again. Now, we're looking at the best of Team of the Week. I think this was FIFA 19. And as we see, there's only one 85 rated player. All of the other players are very much higher, and they're also higher in demand. If we look at the Team of the Week from the 20, the best of Team of the Week that they were releasing during the Black Friday period, we see also the same pattern, only one 85 rated. Every single one was above the 85. And we did this analysis today on stream and checked which specific cards could get in. And we just sorted the current Team of the Weeks by value. If you hold any of these values on this screen right now, except for Sant Maximan, I feel like because he's 83 rated, he's not going to be put in. But all of the others have quite a good chance to be in the best of Team of the Weeks, resupplied, and they're just going to die in value during the Black Friday. So you don't want to hold a Messi, you don't want to hold a Rashford, you don't want to hold a Mane, you don't want to hold a Kante, you don't want to hold any of these cards going into the Black Friday period. I do think Federico Valverde is not going to be put in because there's quite some La Liga players before him, like Lionel Messi there. But you could also argue that Alejandro Gomez could be put in just because there's no Serie A cards, Serie A informs that are above rated than him and more priced than him. Here, they might even sneak in a Sergio Ramos just because he's 90 rated and he's a CB. And these cards would definitely just go down in value. Lower rated than 85 will potentially not be put in. So if you're investing this Sunday, we looked this on stream. We do think these will be very good investments. And as I advised, 50% of your coins hold in the fodder cards, 50% of coins keep to go in on investments of the past Team of the Weeks and potentially rule breaker special cards. They're not supplied anymore. That are going to go actually up after the Black Friday period. So these are going to be very good profits. The thing you guys need to understand is that you pick up the cards that are not going to be in the best of Team of the Week, and that potentially they don't have a lot of competition on their specific positions. I think Theo Hernandez, for example, is still one of the best left backs in Serie A, so he can do very well from the dip that he will have this weekend. Here, Willian Lozano, he's the best right mid in game right now, potentially, if you don't look at the icon market. So there's a lack of the right wings right now provided, and I do think he's one of those that can write nicely, but he still has a drop to make this weekend, in my opinion, and then he can go up. I really like the price of Joao Felix, who will definitely go even lower at the end of this weekend. And after the Black Friday period, because they're not going to be supplied anymore, and because everybody sold all of these cards and they're going to start buying their teams back, they should be rising in value, so you should be making good coins. The fodder right now is stable, fellas. If we get an Icon SBC tomorrow, it's 50-50 that it rises and it's 50% that it drops just because of over investments. I told everybody to just maybe keep 50% if you want to gamble. I'm gambling with the 50% of coins into the fodder. With the other 50%, I'm just gonna go into these team of the weeks, because if that goes wrong, if there's no icon SBC tomorrow, we can see fodder going down a bit slightly, because the icon SBC should come next Friday. It will go up again in the hype, of course, but there's quite a chance that there's going to be over investing. If there's over investing, there's also going to be oversupply as soon as it drops. So if you're stuck with like 50% of your coinage, it's still better than getting stuck with all of your coins. That's why I always advise to have only 50% of coinage in. The road to finals, I missed the low point yesterday. I told you guys to go in at the very late of Wednesday, right before the rewards. These prices have been destroyed on the high-end cards, but the lower-end cards are keeping the same values. They didn't drop much. So, for example, I bought yesterday Kanji at 190k. I saw him cheapest at 185 today. Maybe you guys, if you observed him, saw him closer to 180 or something, but 185 was the cheapest I saw him. I bought him at 190 yesterday, which was very good. Cassie is a very good card, and in my opinion, as he gets the 84 rated upgrade, he's gonna get close to all 80 plus stats, which will make him very OP. People will try to go into him, the same as they did with Party last year, who was a very good investment. All of these cards should have the low point right now. Just because we're so close to the UCL games, I don't think they will react the same as for the road to final team one. I was surprised that these high-end got literally killed in value, because the high-end cards usually are not as supplied. They're usually very low supplied because they're so much higher in value, and bringing all of these coins to the market, to everybody packing them, it's usually not what EA does. But it seems like there was quite some supply. The demand went lower because of people fearing the Black Friday market crash and all of that. But either way, holding or not, they will and they should rebound. Guys, remember, the strategy is to keep 50% in your fodder. Risk it, because you can make good coins. There's a high chance they also go down if there's overinvestment or oversupply. That's why you put the 50% into the past team of the weeks, into everything. Make sure to be in the stream tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. UK time. We're going to look at all of these patterns, probably try and make as much profits as we can, the safest way we can. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Cheers.